Hi there. My name is John Phillips. I'm one of the co founders of Sezoo, and I just want to spend a few minutes talking about how you can work with Sezoo. For the last few weeks, we've been thinking about the patterns of work we've been getting involved with and what we see as the future needs for our clients and their organizations. Having thought about it for a while, we thought about it a little more and decided that we should try and make it as easy as possible. In fact, as easy as one, two, three. Number one is to choose the topic of interest for your organization. We've come up with four. The first is supply chain transparency, digital product passports, regulatory reporting, global trade standards, trust registries, etc. The second topic is mutual trust, strategies and techniques to minimize the risk of fraud, scams, and improve customer, partner, and your own organization authentication. The third topic is digital trust strategies. In Australia, we have the Digital ID Act, Privacy Act, Online Safety Act, Age Assurance, digital wallets, verifiable credentials, mobile driving licenses, and all that. And the fourth is a wildcard, bring your own topic. We believe you will have existing knowledge, investments, opportunities, and challenges in digital trust, and you're looking for independent advice. Now, each of these topics offers significant business value, the what's in it for you question. So, what's in it for you with supply chains? Well, supply chains are essential to your business, and the increasing complexity of regulations, supplier and customer relationships, up and downstream reporting, and business compliance risks make supply chain transparency a critical area of interest. Taking advantage of global initiatives and standards means you can verify upstream claims, protect your brand, enhance downstream value, and get a return on your compliance investment. This is true in times of sustainable development goal interests as it is in times of tariffs. What's in it for you with mutual trust? Scams, data breaches, and ransomware are a global scourge and serious business risk, with fines in Australia of $50 million and or 4% of global revenue. Fraud and scams erode trust between organizations and people and cause problems for legitimate businesses. In this crisis, there is opportunity. Innovative organizations can take a lead and develop mutual trust frameworks that build business value on market leading trustworthiness. What's in it for you with digital trust strategies? Verifiable credentials and wallets are the basis of the emerging Australian and global digital trust frameworks. Digital mobile driving licenses and government issued credentials are here and or coming soon. You need to be ready to take advantage of this capability for your business and your customers. Your customers and business partners will expect you to be able to make use of these credentials, and you need to know how. What's in it for you with bring your own topic? This is kind of up to you, but we think you want to check your strategy and thinking, have it questioned and explored. You might want to avoid general purpose consultants that are rich with fees and opinions, but poor with knowledge and expertise. Instead, you want to ask some real experts and get fiercely independent insights and advice based on years of genuine experience. So, why Sezoo? Why and how can we help? Let's look at each topic in turn. Why Sezoo and supply chains? Because we are registered UNCFACT experts who have been actively collaborating on the development of the United Nations Transparency Protocol for the last 2 years, have supported the development of implementation extensions for global business sectors, and are now leading the UNCFACT Global Trust Registry project. Why Sezoo and mutual trust? Our thinking on mutual trust, scams, and data breaches has been presented at international as well as government conferences. We have a unique and compelling answer to challenges that face all businesses. Our approaches can reduce your risk and add value and stickiness to your customer and business partner relationships. Why Sezoo and digital trust strategies? We actively contribute to several world-leading groups on digital trust, including the Linux Foundation, Trust Over IP, IRA, and UNCFACT, where we are registered experts. Over the last few years, we have provided ministerial and executive briefing presentations, papers, reports, and business cases on verifiable credentials, digital wallets, emerging standards, and the impact of new acts. Why Sezoo for bring your own topic? We're flexible, independent, experienced design thinkers. Unlike global generic consulting companies, we are actively working in the leading development groups and with the implementers of the standards and initiatives that matter now and that will shape the future. Having chosen or defined a topic, what's next? Step 2 is deciding how ready you are for an engagement. This table gives an indication of increasing levels of engagement with Sezoo to help shape your thinking. You might just want an executive briefing session, something dynamic and thought-provoking that your leadership team can engage with over lunch, say. Or you might want a tailored report that dives deeper into a specific topic and that you can use to inform your decision making going forward. Or perhaps you want a more interactive engagement, one where we work closely with your team members to explore topics, challenges, and generate ideas and identify possible solutions. Or maybe you're considering your strategy and want to explore the technology, governance, and commercial options available to you and develop business models and business cases that test the what ifs of these options. Or maybe you want to have a commitment over a longer period of time that guarantees access to expertise and allows the specific topics to flex with your business priorities over the engagement. So you've chosen or come up with a topic and you've decided how you want to engage. What's next? So, with one being your choice of topic and two being your readiness to engage, three is just confirming your request. You can scan this QR code or copy the URL into your browser. Both will take you to a form that we have created to let you tell us your preferences and interests and give us your contact details so that we can get back to you. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to hearing from you.